Hi friends, today we are looking at topic 13, the opener. Topic 13 is called more addition, subtraction, and length. So you are going to be practicing addition and subtraction, and there might be some real world application with length in there too. So you might be thinking like an architect and figuring out the lengths of certain things and doing things in that nature. So the vocabulary that I want to remind you of is: Number 1, circle the measuring unit that is better to estimate the length of a room with. Would you estimate the length of a room, a whole room, using meter stick, or a centimeter? So a whole meter or a centimeter. So you're probably going to want to choose the one that's bigger, and we know centimeter is teeny tiny, smaller than an inch, and meter is more closer to like the length of like a yardstick, which is like a baseball bat. So probably going to want to estimate how many baseball bats it takes to fill the room versus how many, little nails take to go the length of a room. So the correct answer would be meter. 1 yard equals how many feet? This is just a memorization one. So 1 yard is 3 feet. A sidewalk is 632 yards long. So our sidewalk is 632 yards long. A jogging trail is 640 yards long. Compare. So we're going to compare the length of the sidewalk to the length of the jogging trail. So if we're doing our little hundreds, tens, and ones comparison, let's compare the hundreds. They're both in the 600. Move on to the tens. We have one that's in 30 and one that's in 40. The one that's in 40 is obviously greater, and if we're remembering, we want the inequality sign to be eating the greater one. So we're going to set it up so that it looks like it's eating that 640. Then the last thing that I want to go over is label the missing lengths. So I actually forgot to draw this. Those lines signify that whatever is the same, whatever 2 or 3 have, if it has the same number of lines on the sides, then it is the same length. So we need to fill in this length, this side right here, and we need to fill in right here. We can see that this side is across from this side up here, which is already labeled, and it also has 2 little markings to show me that these are the same in length. So we know that the one directly across from this one is also 4 centimeters. We also know that there's one line here and one line here. They're directly across from each other, so this one must be 3 centimeters.